Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the Cricut Joy cards using a machine that you already own, like the Maker. I'm pretty sure you can make these cards with the other machines as well. This is the card I'm going to be showing you. It's the Tandem Bike with Flowers card. This one's my favorite. The things you'll need a piece of cardstock cut at 4 1/4 by 11 inches. When you're lining up your cardstock onto your mat, you want to make sure that you have an 1/8 inch gap between the edge of the numbers, this line right here, and your cardstock. So I have my ruler here and you can see 1/8 inch gap, as well as at the top. So that's how you want to line up your cardstock. You'll also need a Cricut pen. I'm using the 0.4 tip in black. So you'll just insert it like that and push it down till the arrow disappears. The other thing you'll need is an insert, and these are cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. We're in Cricut Design Space with the Tandem Bike Flowers card. We're going to click on Continue. And you can see, to continue, please connect your Maker. So my Maker's already connected. We're going to set our materials to medium cardstock. My tools are already loaded. So we'll come over to the machine and load the mat. And then we're going to press the go button. So while we wait on that to cut, I'm going to show you the cards that I've made from Design Space that are specifically made for the Joy. This is the Tandem Bike. Then here's the pumpkin one, and this is using the metallic gold pen. And then I've got a bunch of the T-Rex cards. So I have this green one, orange, I made this pink one, and then this olive green one. There's also this flowers in a vase card. Opens up like an easel. You Are My Sunshine. It's a birthday cake or a wedding cake. And this is an I Heart You card. Another birthday card. Hot air balloon, a cupcake birthday card. This is actually a card from the launch party. I was able to attend that, so this is the one that I made on their machine with their insert. And then these cards, they're not exclusively for the Joy. These are just in Design Space for any of the machines. So I made Hey There Foxy, and then an Easter one. So with those, I use these value pack envelopes from Michaels by Recollections, and 50 come in this pack. and they fit these cards perfectly. And then these cards are 4.3 inches by 5 3/4 inches. So we'll just show you how they fit in the envelopes. So they fit perfect. So now the card is finished cutting, and I'm going to unload my mat, and then I'm going to flip it over and take it off very carefully. This is a newer mat, so it's pretty sticky. I don't want to rip anything. Okay, so we're going to put it in the paper trimmer, and then we're going to score it at 5.5. And I'm just using my scoring tool for my maker. Just fold it on the line. Then you can use your scraper tool to finish the edge. Whoops, sorry. And then the last part is choosing one of your inserts, and I'm going to use the green one. So you'll just slide those in the slots that the machine cut out. And there is the tandem bike with flowers card. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to let you know that it is possible to make the Cricut Joy cards with your machines that you already own.